2005 Ford Explorer Sport Trac. XLT, one owner, 68,000 miles, two-wheel drive. You will not find a cleaner one. Midnight blue metallic, stunning truck, gorgeous truck. Tonneau cover, bed liner. New tires, new brakes, running boards, needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. No hail, Texas truck, no rust. I don't know if you call this a truck or an SUV, but super clean. Heated seats, power seats, leather seats. Carfax report, one owner. Original floor mats. Rear window still works. Most of them do not in these, by the way. $68,140 miles. No rips or stains or wear marks, in very good condition. So, a 2005 Ford Explorer Sport Trac, one owner, 68,000 miles, leather, heated seats, in absolutely remarkable condition.